Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time seeing my face, my name is Atunike. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely braid wig using this expression braiding hair and darling braiding hair. So those are the two colors I'm going to be using, and I want the length to be long, so I'm going to be cutting one hair into two. Total pack, I use 1.5 pack of darling hair and I use only 1 pack of expression hair. So what you are seeing me doing now is just picking out the tip of the hair. After I'm done picking all the hair, I'm going to be brushing the hair through with a brush. Then I'm going to be mixing the two colors together. Yeah, that is what I'm going to be doing. I'll be mixing the two colors together. This is what I achieved after mixing the two colors together. I'm going to be leaving the number of the color I use on the screen. I can't really actually remember the color now, as in the number. So I'm going to be sectioning the hair on this rack so that my work is going to be very easy. Yes, it's going to be fast and easy, and it won't allow my hair to get tangled. I want this hair to be lightweight, so I'm not going to be using any hair to pick. The little quantity of hair I crochet, that is what I'm going to use to braid the hair down. I won't finish braiding the hair from the beginning. Later off camera I'm going to do that. I want this hair to be fast. I spent 4 days to finish this braided wig, 4 good days, because it's a very long length. So you can see what I'm doing now, just crocheting the hair, then I'll start braiding. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much, guys. If you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly please click on the like button, subscribe, share with your loved one. Do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, so please make sure you turn on the notification bell. You can see the way I'm giving the braid space. That is how I'm going to be doing till I reach to the top part of the wig, to the top part of the cap. That is how I'm going to be spacing the braid. Just keep on watching so that you can DIY your own braided wig yourself. Yes, if I can do it, you can actually achieve this lovely braided wig also. So can you please keep on watching? This was what I was trying to explain. You can see I'm using my hand to demonstrate for you to understand what I was actually talking about. So now I'm going to be crocheting the hair at the middle. You can see, not on the top of where there is a crochet braid before. No, I won't be doing that. I have to crochet it at the middle so that it will cover the down parts where I didn't put any hair. Do you grab that? Off camera, this is how far I've gone. Can you see the hair? I really love the color of this hair, the length, everything about this hair. I really love it so much. So now I'm going to be moving to the closure part. Yes, you have to make sure you do your closure part before you finish the side at the left, the side at the back, then the back side. Do you actually understand what I mean? All this place picking through, don't worry. When you finish with your closure, that is when you know where you're going to put in some hair, because if you actually finish that part before you finish braiding your closure, the hair is going to be heavy. That is when you will know the front will be kind of bulky. It will be kind of, I don't really know how to explain the parts, but I'm just trying to tell you that just make sure you finish your closure part before you actually finish the rest parts. After I'm done with the closure part, then I'm going to finish the rest. What I was trying to explain, you can see I'm using my hand to demonstrate so that you can understand. So we are going to be picking that part now. I'm going to finish it. I've not cut out the excess cap under the closure part, so that is why you're seeing some kind of black something picking through under. So after I'm done finishing all these lovely gorgeous braids, now I'm going to finish the down part. I didn't braid finish, so that is what we are going to be doing. You can see how this hair is kind of simple, easy to achieve, and it came out so good. Can you please keep on watching? We are not done yet. I'm going to show you the final look of this gorgeous braided DIY wig. So I won't show the parts where I added hot water because I finished this hair so late, so I didn't show the part. I just dipped the hair into the hot water, then I added some hairspray mousse to add some shine to it. So that is all what I did. I didn't dip the hair into the bucket because I don't want the tip to fold, so I just let the hair on the dump head like this, then I put it into the bath. then I poured hot water to it so that the tip won't fold. You are going to see the final look. So just trimming the excess, any excess hair, just trimming it. Don't worry, I'm going to cut the excess wig cap under the closure. I'll cut it. That is what is peeking through. I will. Thank you. Keep on watching. So guys, this is the final look. Kindly look at the length, look at the back. Oh my god, thank you so much for watching. Just look how the way is bouncing. If you've not subscribed, can you please click on the like, subscribe, share it to your loved ones. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Shall love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you.